Hello and welcome, it's Mark for Future, and today we're coming back to our own continent of Asia. C. China. I. India. M. Mongolia. Countries of Asia. T. Thailand. T. Taipei. T. Taiwan. Countries of Asia. J. Japan. K. Korea. S. Singapore. Countries of Asia. V. Vietnam. L. Laos. P. Philippines. Countries of Asia. C. Cambodia. B. Bangladesh. N. Nepal. Countries of Asia. G. Georgia. E. Egypt. A. Armenia. Countries of Asia. I. Israel. K. Kuwait. Q. Qatar. Countries of Asia. M. Maldives. B. Brunei.
Hello everybody, it's Mark for Future here. I'm with T. High five T. Yes. And what is this T? What is it? It's a volcano, and we've just seen his volcano erupt and explode like Mount Vesuvius, or in this case, Mount Fuji. That's right, because we're in Japan for International Day with one of our activities, and we use vinegar and baking soda. Very safe, but also very fun to watch. So we can't wait for you to see it. Bye bye!